Welcome to the world of space technology, where humans explore the far reaches of the universe. In this video, we'll learn about rockets, satellites, spacecraft, and telescopes, all the amazing tools that make space exploration possible. So, let's blast off. It all started with the telescope. Telescopes allow us to see far into space, studying distant stars, planets, and galaxies. One of the most famous scientists, Galileo Galilei, was the first to use a telescope to observe the moons of Jupiter and craters on the moon. There are two main types of telescopes: refracting telescopes, which use lenses, and reflecting telescopes, which use mirrors. Isaac Newton invented the reflecting telescope, making it easier to see objects clearly in space. How do we get to space? With rockets, of course. Rockets are vehicles that shoot into space using thrust to overcome Earth's gravity. They work using Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Rockets have multiple stages. As each stage burns its fuel, it separates and falls off, allowing the next stage to take the rocket higher. Once in space, we use satellites to monitor our planet and explore the universe. Satellites are machines that orbit Earth or other planets. They're used for communication, weather monitoring, and resource tracking. For example, Meteosat is a weather satellite that helps predict storms and other weather patterns, while Landsat monitors Earth's natural resources like forests and water bodies. Now let's talk about the International Space Station, or ISS. The ISS is a giant space laboratory that orbits Earth. It's where astronauts live and conduct experiments to learn more about space and life beyond Earth. Countries like the United States, Russia, Japan, and many more work together to keep the ISS running. Inside the ISS, astronauts study microgravity, how things grow in space, and how the human body reacts to being in space for a long time. Next stop, Mars. Scientists are exploring Mars to see if humans can live there in the future. Rovers like the Perseverance and Curiosity robots are sent to Mars to study its surface. If we ever live on Mars, we'll need to build solar farms for energy, habitats to protect from the harsh environment, and ways to grow food in space. Scientists are already developing these technologies. The future of space travel is exciting. One day, we might even take a trip to space for fun. Companies like SpaceX are working on making space tourism a reality. We're also looking at colonizing Mars. Imagine living on another planet. But first, we need to figure out how to create homes, grow food, and generate energy there. Space technology doesn't just help us explore the universe, it makes life on Earth better too. Satellites help us communicate, predict the weather, and use GPS to find our way around. Thanks to space technology, we can learn more about climate change, protect our environment, and even discover new ways to solve problems here on Earth. Space is the final frontier, and thanks to amazing space technology, we're discovering new things every day. From telescopes to rockets to rovers, the journey has just begun. Who knows, maybe one day you'll be part of the team that helps explore the next planet. Thanks for watching. Keep dreaming, exploring, and looking up at the stars. The universe is waiting for you.